morning, class. This is your entrepreneurship subject. Before we proceed with our lesson, can someone lead the prayer? MG, can you lead the prayer? Before we proceed, kindly pick up the papers around you in your desk or your table, please. Can you please look on your surroundings? Okay. Now check your attendance. Please say present when you are here. Starting from MG. Present. Erica. Okay, everyone's present. So, we will now start with this thought from Russell Simons. You just have to pay attention to what people need and what people has not been done. So, anyone here have an insight or anyone who can explain this quotation from Russell Simons? Anyone? Okay, Angie, can you give your insight about this?
It means that we only have to pay attention to the needs of the people and what is not done yet.
Yes, MG is correct. Any answers? Okay, MG is correct when she said that we just have to pay attention to what people need when we are going to sell products. We have to think about what we want or what has not been done in the market so that we can produce the products or services that is not available yet. Okay, we will recall our previous lesson, number 1. What is an enterprise? Erica? Okay, thank you for that beautiful answer, Erica. Erica is right. Enterprise, what's the ongoing meaning of enterprise? Okay, since you have learned already what is the meaning of enterprise and its importance in planning and the importance of business in planning the enterprise, we can now go on to our next lesson, getting to know the market. So the thought about knowing your market or knowing who your customers are will be tackled for today. The learning objectives of this lesson are, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to interpret the market trend, given an example analysis, discuss the possible needs and interests of customers for the upcoming Valentine's Day, in relation to the market trend last year, and C, react on the market trend on online shoppers. This will be your learning objectives for this subject. And before that, there's a video presentation which you can watch, and I'm expecting you to react on this video.
Tumuto kayo para manalo. Hello? Hello? Sabihin mo lang, salamat, Shopee!
Oh, go. 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 Oh.
What are the market demands and what does a customer expect when buying or purchasing online? After watching the video, you will be able to answer these questions. As you can see, what are the current market demands? Anyone? Anyone from the class? Okay, Erica. Okay, Erica is right. Thank you for that answer. Okay, we are now here in market research, or getting to know the market. Market research is a tool used by entrepreneurs to know their customers. So, in doing the market research, there are basic questions in market research. First, why? Why pertains to the purpose and objective for conducting the market research? So why are you doing this research? And what determines the scope and the limitations of the market research to be conducted? So what is the limitation of this research? Which determines which segment of the market must be studied. This must be the market segment that an entrepreneur is eyeing. So which is the product or the market niche, and who identifies who among the members of the selected market segment will participate in the market research. When determines the time and timing of the research. So when will the research be done, and where pinpoints the relevant location of the market research. Where will you conduct the research, and how determines the methodology to be used for the market research. So how will you do your research? Will you do an interview, or will you conduct a survey? So next, having survey research, there are steps which you can follow. The first step in a survey research is to develop the research objectives. The second one is to determine your sample. After determining your sample, you will proceed by choosing the interviewing methodology. So how will you conduct the interview? Will you have a paper and pencil interview, or will you have a video interview? Next is create your questionnaire. In creating your questionnaire, you have to prepare the questions relevant to the market research. And it's the pre-test questionnaire. 6, conduct the interviews and enter the data. And 7, analyze the data. After conducting the interview, you will now proceed with the analyzation of the data. Which you will see here. In analyzing the data, you can use different kinds of graphs like the histogram. Histogram or a bar graph consists of a series of rectangles or bars, as you can see in the sample histogram. So these are the bars used to represent the data or the values gathered during the market research. Next is the frequency polygon. As you can see on the presentation, frequency polygon consists of a dot, and then those dots were connected to form a polygon. So next is the pie chart. The pie chart is a circular graph divided into sections that represent the relative frequencies or magnitudes of the group values. So as you can see on the sample, there are 70% on my phone or tablet, and 40% some activity. Thus, you can find your partner. Okay, partner or partners. And now discuss, after finding a partner, discuss the products to be sold online that will possibly have a higher demand on the upcoming Valentine's Day. Use the market trend sample as a reference. You can use this sample as a reference and then present or discuss the products in front of the class. So last year we had 44% of candies sold, while 1% on products. I'll give you 5 minutes to discuss. Okay, 5 minutes is done. You can now present your products in front. What's the first group?
Chocolate and flowers.
Okay, why did you choose chocolate and flowers?
Chocolate and flowers because it's not plant-based.
Okay, thank you, group 1. You may now take your seat. After this group activity, we will now proceed with the market research. Okay, market research provides relevant data to help solve marketing challenges that a business will most likely face, an integral part of the business planning process. So entrepreneurs use this market research to find their customers. And now we will now proceed with the evaluation for your quiz. Kindly get one half sheet of paper and then answer the following questions. The instruction will be fill in the correct word in each blank to complete the selection. In last 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is done. Kindly pass your papers in front. Okay, last.